Like that. So you know what I mean, big play. Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. All right. So anyway, I'm by Big Playhouse. What's up?
What's up, baby? What's up? What's
Uh,
up?
the show,
The
yeah,
show. What's the name of the Domino 7 show?
yeah.
How y'all
Facebook
doing?
Live and recording. Okay, so what's happening? What happening, Ryan? They about to say happy birthday to you? Happy belated birthday to you. All right.
That's what it is.
All right. So we gonna sing a little birthday song for them, stuff like that. You know. All right. This is kind of unexpected, but I'm glad I decided to make it.
Turn the light up.
No. Oh, get a little smile on the face. Oh, okay.
Let's see what the cake look. A little smiley face. That looks good. Look at that.
Having fun. Guess who made the cupcakes? No. Yeah, you hear me over here?
I can twerk it.
The big 3-6. How about that?
Hi. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
No, we're not.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Yeah, big play.
birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you.
Family.
May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
All right.
Cut.
Oh, let's blowing out the candles.
Make a wish.
Oh,
Wish. Come on. Blow.
No!
Blow.
Got 3 more.
It's just
There you go.
All right.
yeah. All right. Yep.
Appreciate y'all.
Well. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I almost didn't make it. You know, but
Put it on top of it. So she like,
Cassidy,
like a chocolate.
what you want to say?
Right.
Oh, you look just like your mama. So Ryan, what you want to say?
Man, you know, look.
You're glad I made it, right?
Glad you made it, cuz.
I almost changed my mind. That would have been a catastrophe, a blow, or whatever to call
Right
it.
on time.
Yep. I told the viewers on the last show that I was coming over here. I almost changed my mind. Ain't that something? Yeah, y'all. So somebody else. Oh, I see somebody back there. Oh, look who this is. Say Ryan. Say who that is back there. No, who?
Where?
Yeah.
Seen the dog?
Yeah. I call a dog a who, not a what.
His
Yeah.
His name Noah.
Noah. Oh, that's who that is, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna call that dog a what. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna call a dog a what. It's a who, you know. Person, place, or thing, a noun. A noun. I forgot about nouns, you know. So, what you want to say? Nothing. Oh, okay, the twins. Well, they ain't twins. So, say that again.
Your father are not twins.
I know that. All right. Of course they're not twins. They look alike, but they're not twins. You know. So what you want to say, Ryan Pie? Nothing. Nothing. Cassie, what you want to say?
I want to say something.
Something.
You're an old man.
I'm a what?
Old man.
I'm not that old.
Yes, you are.
I'm 36, like your father, and I'm gonna be 37 in September.
You know I ain't got no filter. Right.
Well, I don't find that disrespectful to my knowledge, you know. So anyway, is that, you want to say something?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Well, it is not my birthday. Cupcake face. All right, so
I told my mom all three.
where your mommy at? Okay. All right. So as I was saying, yo, well, I don't know what else I want to say, you know. So it's a little small party over here, you know. So for anybody that's concerned, you know. All right. All right, let's. The belated birthday boy, what you want to say again? All right. So. All right. Yep, as always. All right. I'm gonna give me a cupcake after this. Look at this, y'all. Y'all won't be on the show, huh? Y'all won't be on the show, huh? All right. Oh, all right. It's going on YouTube, man. It's going on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'm already famous.
What you do?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Shit, you live like boy. Shit.
Well, I don't believe he's famous. I never saw him on TV.
Huh? That TV don't make you famous. It's
What?
what you do. Just like when they say, it ain't about who you kill. It's about who you shoot.
Oh no! Don't say that on the show. Not on the show. I'm recording. Well, disregard that, okay? All right. So. All right. So, I'm eating a cupcake. All right. All right. Well, I've been doing YouTube for I think 11 years since 2010.
You ain't never seen me on there?
Nah, never. Well, we're gonna have to see if he's on there or not, you know. So
It's all good. What's the name?
Domino, you can call me Domino.
Domino?
Domino 7. What just?
Mr. Domino.
All right. Okay. Not like the high order, like Marcus the Magnificent, you know. Of course, I'm not Marcus the Magnificent, as y'all know. Okay. Well, he used to do shows.
Way back. I was a kid when that.
Yeah. Yep.
We were watching Bubblegum.
Yo, Lil Ryan, what you gotta say? Nothing? All right, nighty night. All right. All right then. So I guess I'm gonna stop this show. So ta-ta for now. All right. Bye.